This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're at the 8th Annual Precious Metals Summit in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Bob Felder from RenGold Inc. It's a publicly traded company, two symbols for you, REN on the TSX Venture and RNSGF in the US. Bob, welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, glad to be here.
It's great to have you on. So, for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and we'll go from there.
Sure. We're a Nevada-based prospect generator. We employ a joint venture business model, so we do the early stage research and development type work for exploration and then try to bring in partners to fund exploration and with the long-term goal of making a discovery.
So let's get a history of the company. When did it start and how did you develop to where you're currently at today?
The company launched and began trading on the TSX Venture Exchange in 2010. We were a spin-out of a very successful story of a predecessor company named AuEx Ventures. The AuEx Ventures team got involved in the Long Canyon discovery, which many people are aware of. That became a very big success for the company, and Renaissance Gold was the spin-out when that asset was purchased in 2010.
So tell me a little bit about some of the projects that you have in the company currently.
Well, we have a portfolio of projects, and so what we're doing is our mission is to test as many high-quality targets as possible with the goal of making a discovery. We don't have the philosophy of putting all of our eggs in one or two baskets, so we test a variety of projects. Right now we have 6 joint ventures in place with companies who are funding drilling on projects, so our activity level is pretty high right now in terms of getting a lot of projects drilled. And so the probabilities of success go up with the more drilling that we get done.
And in what region are you focused? Nevada, you said?
We're focused in Nevada. We've had some projects in Utah, but right now our portfolio of 21 projects is strictly in Nevada.
And what materials? Is it across the board or gold and silver?
Mostly gold and silver. Yeah, that's our bread and butter. We kind of stick to our knitting in terms of where our expertise is. We're focused in Nevada because that's where we have most of our history and expertise. So we think we can do the most good in that jurisdiction.
So, being that you're a prospect generator business model, most people want to know about the team in place. Let's get your background, and then who's the exploration team that had the boots on the ground trying to find these discoveries?
Sure. My background, I'm a geologist. I've been in the business, for longer than I care to admit. But our team is really mostly geologists. I mean, we're focused on the technical work. We do front-end high-level science to develop high-quality targets. And the team goes out and does the dirty boots work, and we develop ideas that are marketable to partners. And so that's really the process. On our board, we have other expertise. We have mining engineer, we have business development people, but within the company and on staff, it's mostly geologists.
And do they all have experience specifically in Nevada and Utah area?
Yes, we're very Nevada-centric in terms of our experience. It's where we bring the most value to the company in terms of exploring in places where we have a great depth of experience.
And from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts moving into 2019?
Our team has had a great deal of success in the past, and so a lot of people want to do business with us because of that. Right now, because we have a large amount of deal flow compared to in the past several years, the market's been a little bit soft. So right now we're getting a lot of money spent by partners on our projects. And so with a lot of drill results, we're raising the probability of success.
And where could our audience go and find more information about Renaissance Gold?
Our website is pretty up to date, RenGold.com, www.rengold.com, and there's a lot of good information there.
That's RENGold.com. My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're at the 8th Annual Precious Metals Summit in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been Bob Felder from Renaissance Gold Inc., publicly traded company, two symbols for you, REN on the TSX Venture and RNSGF in the US. Bob, thank you again for joining me today.
Thanks very much. Glad to be here.